Hello everyone, my name is Anil Kumar Vishwakarma. Today I am going to teach you about the K maps that is known as Carnot maps. In this, what are the Carnot maps? We learn about the K map, two variable, four variable K map, three variable also. Now, Carnot maps provide an alternative way of simplifying logic circuit. So what is K map? So instead of using Boolean algebra, simplification technique, you can transfer logic values from a Boolean statement or a truth table into a K-map. So we can simplify the Boolean expression by using the K-map. We can minimize the number of gates by using the K-map. We minimize the circuit. The arrangement of zeros and ones within the map helps you to visualize the logic relationship between the variables and leads directly to a simplified Boolean statement. So Carnot maps or K-map are often used to simplify logic problem with 2, 3, or 4 variables. Now, cells is equals to 2 raised to n, where n is the number of variables. So 2 raised to 2 is equals to 4 means that shows the two variable K-map means it has 4 cells. Cells names are, for example, two variables are that A and B are two variables. So in horizontal direction, it has 0 and 1. B may be 0 and 1. So cell, it has 0, 1, 2, 3. So first cell is 0, 0, second cell is 0, 1, third cell is 1, 0, and fourth cell is 1. So in this manner, second variable or two variable K-map can be prepared. So cell number 0, 1, 2, 3 or A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B bar or A, B. In this pattern, we can write the K-map for two variable K. Now for this is a SOP form and in POS form, it can be written as A plus B, A plus B bar, A bar plus B, A bar plus B. In this manner, we can write in the POS equation, or it is called as the max term. SOP is called as the mean term. Three variable K-map can be 2 raised to 3, means it has 8 cells. 2 raised to 3 is equals to 8. So it has three variables, therefore A, B, C are the three variables. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, and 0, 1, 1. All these are the 8 cells. So it can be in SOP form, it can be written as A bar, B bar, C bar, A bar, B bar, C. Where there is 0, we write bar, and where there is not a 0, we write the simply variable. So here in this case, suppose A is 0, B is 1. So A is 0, therefore we can write as A bar. B is 1, therefore we write as B. And C is 0, therefore we write C bar. In this manner, we write every cell's value as, for example, this 1, 1, 1, triple 1 is there. Then simply all are 1, therefore we write A, B, and C. For each cells, we give the name also, cell number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So total 8 cells are there in three variable K-map. Now moving to further, we have a four variable K-map. In this, we have A, B, and C, D. A, B, and C, D are the four variables. So horizontally, two variables are there, and vertically two variables are there. Then 2 raised to 4 is equals to 16. Therefore, it contains 16 cells. So names are like this: 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 12, 13, 15, 14, 8, 9, 11, 10. So these are the number of the cell given. Again, the same as we have seen in two variable and three variable K-map. The same pattern is applied here. Again, the SOP form or post form equations are written. So Carlock's map is completed by entering the A1 or 0 in each of the appropriate cell, as we have seen in the last diagram. Within the map, adjacent cell containing 1s or 0 are grouped together in 2s and 4s or 8. So group of 2, 4 or 8 has been formed to minimize the equation. So this is a simple example how we can put the values in the K-map. So this is the OR gate. Two variable K-map of can be used to into the method you can learn. The map for two input OR gate looks like this. AB is the input and Y is the output. So when A is 0, B is 0, obviously Y is 0. When A is 1 and B is 0, then obviously output is 1. A is 0, B is 1, then output is 1. Similarly, when A is 1 and B is 1, its output is 1. So when both are 0, only at that time it is 0, otherwise it is high. So we have to prepare the truth table of it. So we can put in the K-map like this. So two variable K-map can be used for this because only two inputs are there, A and B. So A is can be varied from 0 to 1 and B also from 0 to 1. So we see that A when A is 0 and B is 0, this is called a truth table. But in truth table, if you observe clearly, when both are 0, at that time output is 0. So in cell number 0, we put 0 and others are 1. So in this way, we can put the values of output in the K-map, and further that can be minimized or form the group. So this is formation of the group, and we can get the equation by grouping as A and B. So A plus B, we got the answer. So therefore, OR gate output is Y is equals to A plus. So here we finish this topic of the K-map of 2 variable, 3 variable, 4 variable. Thank you.